Agent Bricks. Hi, hello everyone. I'm Naval Yamul. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Data Master. Today I'm excited to announce a brand new playlist and a new video series focused entirely on Agent Bricks. Databricks is truly a game changer when it comes to AI. Not just building POCs or demos, but for productionizing AI agents in a scalable, secure, and enterprise ready way using Agent Bricks. And that's exactly what this series is all about. In this series, we will go step by step and explore what Agent Bricks is and what are the different products available inside the Agent Bricks with complete demo and the hands-on. In this first video, we will focus on what are AI agents, what exactly is the Agent Bricks, and a overview of the Agent Bricks products. And we'll explore them in the Databricks UI also. In the coming videos, I'll be going completely hands on a full demo of knowledge assistant agent, document parsing agent, or information extraction agent. And finally, we are going to build a multi-supervisor agent using Databricks. So I sincerely request you to please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for this complete Agent Brick series. If you find this video helpful, please like the video, comment your thoughts or questions, and share it with your friends or colleagues. Your support really motivates me to bring more practical and real world content to you. All right, let's get started. First, let's understand what AI agents are, and then we'll move to Agent Bricks and finally explore Agent Bricks products. What is an AI agent? So, AI agent operates semi autonomously or autonomously to understand the user's input, make an informed decision, and take actions to accomplish the objectives. It's like a chatbot. These are the system that boost employee efficiency by handling complex tasks from conducting product research or creating a documentation to performing a complex data analysis without need to write a code. Beyond the internal operations, AI agent excels at scaling personalized customer interaction 24 into 7, a support agent or a sales development agent who follow up on the every opportunity. So this is what your AI agent is, not only response giving a response to the user's question, but it makes the informed decision. It thinks and it takes some actions. That's what your AI agent is. So this is the official documentation. I'll be leaving the link in the description. You can check what exactly the AI agent is. Now the question is, what is Agent Bricks? What exactly is Agent Bricks? Agent Bricks is a low code framework. You can say it's a low code framework by Databricks, and they have designed to help enterprises build, evaluate, and optimize production grade AI agents. So it's a low code or no code framework by Databricks, and that helps you to build, evaluate, and optimize your production grade AI agents. And that's what Agent Bricks are. In Agent Bricks, we have a couple of different products. So I'll just try to explore the products. I'll just click on it. And yeah, your UI looks something like this. On the Databricks workspace, you have something called agents. And in your agents, you will have couple of Agent Bricks, you have couple of products. You can say these are your agents. You can build an agents, low code tool, or you can simply say no code tool. Just with couple of clicks, you can do it. Amazing. So let's just scroll down. Yeah, you can see the production grade agents. Your agent can be your data insights agent that turns your unstructured text into a structured insights, or it can be a document classification agent, or it can be a conversational agent like your chatbot, or it can be a knowledge retrieval agent just like your RAG architecture. Yes, you can build a complete knowledge assistant by using this agent bricks. Then you can generate the custom content. You can create a text generation agent or a sentiment analysis agent and so on. So these are a couple of products within the agent bricks. So let me jump onto my Databricks workspace. Yeah, this is my Databricks workspace. And on the left side, we have a AI ML section. I'll just open this, and here you have an agents. And within this agents, you can see we have two tabs here. One is Agent Bricks and second is MCP servers. I'll be making a separate videos on MCP servers as we progress further. But first we'll talk about Agent Bricks, a low code framework to build the agents, to productionize the agents in real world. So here we have different agents for different use cases. First is maybe your parse document agent, and you have an information extraction agent. What does the parse document do? Parse and visualize the document structure with an AI and information that extracts the key information and insights into a structured JSON. So you pass any document or any PDF or any structured data, it gives you the output in a structured JSON. That's what the information extraction does. And the use cases can be for classification, for sentiment analysis, for extraction, summarization, and so on. And the next type of agent within the agent bricks is knowledge assistant. It's an amazing RAG architecture. So in my next video, I'll be talking about a complete demo on knowledge assistant. So you can turn your documents into an expert AI chatbot. You can start building it here. And we have a AI BI Genie agent. It's specializing for your structured tables. So if you have a table views in your catalog, you can straight away go and create a bot, and that's called a AI BI. It converts a natural language to a SQL queries and it executes the SQL queries. I have made a separate videos on AI BI Genie. You can check that. I'll leave the link at the I button. You can check it. In the coming videos, I'll be talking about the multi-agent supervisor. Yeah, we can combine these all as a supervisor agent as well. Then we have few more agents like custom LLMs, or maybe you can code your own agent by using LangGraph and DSPY and other agent libraries and so on. So this is all about agent bricks, exploring the different products. So a quick summary. In this video, I talked about what AI agent is. It's an autonomous way. It not only responds to your queries, it thinks, it makes a decision, it pull out the insights. That's what your AI agent is. And yes, you can build this AI agent within Databricks by using this low code framework called Agent Bricks. You can not only build it, you can evaluate, you can optimize all that by minimal coding or very little coding, and that's what Agent Bricks are. And within Agent Bricks, we have couple of products, or you can say sub agents: knowledge assistant agent, information extraction agent, parse document agent, multi-supervisor agent, or your AI BI agent for a structured data, and so on. In my next video, I'll be doing a full demo on knowledge assistant agent. Thank you for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, please like the video and comment your thoughts. Share it with your friends and colleagues. And again, I request you to please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for this complete Agent Brick series. Thank you once again. Happy learning. Bye bye.